Here's a parcel of low-grade Boulder Opal pipe material, and there's a mixture of other material in amongst it, like down there's a little black opal, bit of Koroite material there. We'll zoom in, get a better look. Okay, the rules in millimetres, give you an idea. Some are quite large pieces. Probably a lot of the pipe material won't polish. It's nice little specimens. It is low grade, most of it, this particular material. And there's a few other pieces that are mixed in. Bit of Koroite, bit of colour there in the middle. Bit of black opal. A couple of little rubs. Maybe a few pieces of boulder like that. Piece of honey potch. Piece of Koroite, bit of colour there over on that side. Done. Could be a piece of doublet material, I think. Anyway, it's not very expensive. Maybe it's a good way to get something to start practicing on. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.